my channel. So yeah guys, you can read from the title what I'm gonna do today. So I gave a few polls on my Instagram and I asked you guys to pick my makeup. So yes, I'm very excited for this video because you guys chose this makeup. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look, so keep on watching. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first poll that I gave on my Instagram was which moisturizer should I use. So you guys picked up this one, the Pond's Light Moisturizer, that won with a lot of percentage. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use some. So yeah, I have applied the moisturizer. Now I'm gonna do the next step. The next step that I asked you guys is that what should I use, a foundation or a BB cream. I hate BB cream because I actually don't have my shade. Thanks to you guys so much. You guys picked up the foundation, so I'm really happy. So the foundation that I'm gonna use is the Fit Me foundation. It's in the shade 310. So yeah, I'm gonna take 2 pumps and I'm gonna dot it all over my face. So I'm just gonna press the product in. So yeah, I'm done with my foundation. It looks quite good. It's really blended nicely. So yeah. Now the third poll that I gave on my Instagram was what should I use to set my base, that is should I use a compact powder or a setting powder. And I don't like using powder compact and you guys chose that. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. So yeah, that's how my face looks like. I quite like the base actually. I really liked it. It's looking quite nice. It's not bad. So I gave a poll with 2 options that what should I do, a colorful eye makeup or a very nude eye thing. So yes, you guys picked up nude eyes. You know me very well. I love nude eyes. So yeah, this is a palette that I'm gonna use. This is the Beauty Glaze palette. It's called Your Shades and I love this one. It's so nice. It's very versatile. You'll get a lot of shades. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shade as a transition shade. So yeah, you guys can see it has just given a very nudish color on my eyelid. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build it thoda sa. I'm gonna take the same shade. So yeah, I'll just build it up a bit. Now I'm gonna use this shade right here, this one. I'm just gonna take a very small amount and place it right here. And I'm gonna just move it inwards. Just go in with like a circular pattern, so it's just gonna blend it really nicely. Yeah, so I'm just gonna build it dheere dheere. So yeah, this is how my eyes look right now. I quite like it. It's very nudie thing. But I'm gonna just use a pinch of this color, like a very little bit. Just tap. Why did I use it? Just to blend the very pigmented brown color with a very light brown color. So it's gonna look very seamless. So yeah. So I quite like how it looks like. It's very like nudie. So I'm gonna use a glitter shade right now on my center. So I'm gonna go in with this color. Let me swatch it for you guys. So yeah, now I'm just gonna place it right in the center. Now I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna take the same brown color that I used at the beginning, this one. It's like my go-to thing. I do this makeup a lot. So yeah, that's how I look like. I'm gonna do this eye and then catch you right back. So yeah, that's how my eyes look. I really like it. The next poll that I gave you guys was, what should I do in my kajal? Should I just smoke it out or just line my waterline? And you guys said that I should smoke it out, and I really can't. I have a very struggling thing with that. But let's try it out. So I'm going to use the K Beauty kajal. So yeah, I have just lined my waterline. Now I'm just gonna smoke it up. So I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow and this brown one. So yeah, I have done smoking my eyes. I guess it looks good. I don't know. Let's go to the next step. The next step was mascara. So I gave you two options, Maybelline and Sugar one. So you guys picked up the Maybelline. So I'm gonna use this Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. I really like it. मैं ये हर दिन पहनती हूँ ऑलमोस्ट, लाइक जब भी मैं मेकअप करती हूँ. आई हैव टू यूज़ इट. आई रियली लाइक इट. ये मेरे लैशेस को भी बहुत एनहांस करता है. सो या okay, so I've done my mascara. Now the next thing is my fear, and you guys picked my fear. You guys wanted me to do a eyeliner when I don't do eyeliner at all. I don't like wearing eyeliner, but I have to because of you guys. So I'm gonna use this K Beauty kajal only. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just draw a line right here. So yeah, I have done this eyeliner like this. You guys can see. I don't know how it looks like. I'm gonna try and do the same exact thing here. I guess it's gonna work. So yeah, I'm now gonna do the next step. Please excuse me for my eyeliner skills. It's not that great, but yeah, that's how I look. Okay, so for my blush, I'm gonna use the Sugar blush thing, because you guys picked up the blush from Sugar and the powder blush. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. I'm gonna take a lot. I love blush. So yeah, I'm done with the blush. Now I'm gonna use the highlighter. The highlighter which you guys picked was a powder highlighter. So yeah, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Chrome, which is in a very bad condition. I ruined it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush to apply. So yeah, I'm done with my whole face makeup. Now the only thing that is left is a lipstick. So yeah, I'm gonna use a lipstick. So I gave you a poll whether I should do a nude lip or go for something dark. So yes, you guys picked up the dark thing. So I'm gonna use this lipstick from Sugar. It's from their Smudge Me Not collection, and it's in the shade Fiery Berry. And I love this color. It's so rich. You guys can see. So I'm going to let this sit for some time because it just changes its color when it gets matte. So yeah, this is how it looks when it's wet. So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes and then I'm going to show you my final look. So yeah guys, this is how I look like. I did everything whatever you said. I used everything whatever you guys chose. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also if you want me to do any such videos, just comment down below and I'm gonna do it. I really like how my makeup has turned out. It's really nice. It's very simple but it looks really nice. So yeah, thank you so much for this video and I hope to see you the next time. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on my Instagram because I am super active there. So yeah, we'll meet each other next time. Bye.